Hello friends, welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we'll go over how to fill out your 1099 forms for 2026 quickly and accurately. The overall process is mostly the same as previous years, but there are a few important updates and key points you should remember depending on the type of 1099 form you're filing. The most common 1099 forms for independent contractors are Form 1099 NEC for non-employee compensation and Form 1099 MISC for miscellaneous income. In this video, we'll focus mainly on Form 1099 NEC, since it's the one most commonly used by contractors and freelancers. How to fill out Form 1099 NEC. 1. Get the correct form. You can get the official 1099 forms directly from the IRS, from office supply stores, or through tax preparation software. Remember, these forms come in multiple copies. One for the IRS, one for the recipient, and one for your records. 2. Fill out the payer information. Box 1. Enter your business name, address, and phone number. Box 2. Fill in your EIN, Employer Identification Number, or SSN, Social Security Number. 3. Fill out the recipient information. Box 3. Enter the recipient's, contractor's, full legal name. Box 4. Add the recipient's complete address. Box 5. Enter the recipient's taxpayer identification number, TIN. This is usually their SSN or EIN. If you don't have it, ask them to provide a Form W-9. 4. Report non-employee compensation. Box 6. Enter the total amount you paid to the contractor for services during the year. Exclude reimbursements or other non-service payments. 5. Check for backup withholding. Box 7. If you withheld taxes due to missing or incorrect TIN, report that here. Otherwise, leave it blank. 6. Direct sales reporting. If you made direct sales of $5,000 or more in goods to someone, you may need to check the relevant box. Filing deadlines and submissions. You must file Form 1099 NEC with the IRS by January 31, 2025, for payments made in 2024. The same deadline applies for both electronic and paper filing. If filing electronically, use the IRS e-file system or a trusted third-party service. If filing by mail, send it to the IRS address listed in the form instructions. Provide copies to the recipient. You must give the contractor copy B of Form 1099 NEC, either by mail or electronically, if they consent. This also needs to be done by January 31, 2025. File state forms, if required. States require a separate state filing for 1099 forms. Check with your state tax agency to see if additional filing is needed. Keep copies for your records. Keep all 1099 forms and related documents for at least 3 years, as recommended by the IRS. Common mistakes to avoid. Incorrect or missing TIN. Always double-check using Form W-9. Using the wrong form, use 1099 NEC for contractor payments of $600 or more. Late filing. Penalties apply if you miss the deadlines, so file on time. Other types of 1099 forms. 1099 MISC, for reporting income like rents, prizes, or other payments, not contractor pay. 1099K, for payments made via credit cards or third-party networks like PayPal. If you're using tax software, the process is even easier. The program guides you step-by-step and files electronically for you. That's it for today's video. I hope this guide helps you fill out your 1099 form quickly and accurately. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechGetter Official for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.